Hello guys, this video is about audio. I have iPhone 6s Plus, and the problem is whenever you dial, it doesn't have a sound on the earpiece. So if you can see, I'm dialing and there is no sound, nothing at all. But if I put it on loudspeaker,
6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Christmas Eve, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Christmas Day, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
we are getting the sound. So I wanted to make this video from long time, but I was not getting any phone, so to show you guys, it's a very simple solution, because I struggle a lot in past. I try to change the speaker, I try to change the audio IC, I changed what I could, everything, but in the end what the problem was, it's a very simple problem which I will suggest everybody to try first. I'm not saying that this problem you will have every time, but this is the first option which I will try if I get any phone which has a audio issue that you can't hear in this speaker. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to disconnect the battery, disconnect the charging port, connecting the battery back in, and switch on the phone. Okay, I'll and now I'm hearing the sound.
Opening hours over the festive period are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
I'm using external mic, so maybe you're not hearing properly, but now I'm getting sound in this speaker. So in short, anytime you get any problem regarding this, that you're not getting sound in earpiece, I will highly suggest that you remove your charging port and test it without charging port, because what happens, the charging port gets short or somehow it gets damaged, which is causing the speaker not to work. So simply just replace the charging port and you're good to go. Thank you.